Hey there, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to make your text look stylishly wrinkled? I'll show you every step. Click the Create button, then choose Custom Size and enter 300 by 300 pixels. Next, add a text box to your design. Click into the text box and type the word Wrinkle. This sets up your canvas for editing. Click the Save button to keep your picture. Next, choose the option to download the image. When prompted for a file format, select PNG to preserve the quality and transparency of the picture. Confirm your choice, and the PNG file will be saved to your computer's Downloads folder, ready for use or sharing as needed. First, change the text color to white by selecting the text and choosing white from the color options. Next, click the Share button in the upper right corner. Finally, proceed by clicking the Download button to save your updated design. Click the Save button to store your changes. Go to the Apps section in your software. Scroll through the available options and look for the Transform Image tool. Once you've found it, select it to open up the transformation features you'll need for the next steps in your editing process. Click the Transform Image button. In the menu that appears, select the file type labeled Wrinkle. After making your selection, confirm your choice to apply the transformation. Now, you'll see that your text image has been updated with the wrinkle effect, reflecting your chosen settings. This completes the transformation process, and your updated text image is ready for use or download. Click the Zoom button to enlarge the image or text, making details easier to see and improving readability on your screen. Change the perspective by selecting the desired view option. Once the perspective is updated, add the item to your site by clicking the Add to Site button. This applies the changes and makes the new perspective visible on your site. Duplicate the text by selecting it and using the copy and paste functions. Then, position the duplicated text next to the original by clicking and dragging it so that both pieces of text are brought together. Select the text, then click Edit at the top. Now, choose the option to add an outline to the selected text for better emphasis. Go back to the main menu and select the Apps section. This will allow you to browse, manage, and install any applications available for your device. In the search bar, type Warp Brush to find the tool quickly. Once it appears in the results, select the Warp Brush option. After clicking it, the Warp tool will be active, allowing you to start reshaping or adjusting your selected object as needed. Select the layer you want to move. Right-click and choose Send to Back to position this layer behind all others. Next, select the layer you want to bring forward. Right-click and choose Bring to Front to place it above the rest. Use these options to control the stacking order of your layers for precise visual arrangement. To add a new item, first, choose the element you want from the selection menu. Browse through the available options and click on the one you'd like to include. Once you've selected your desired item, simply click and hold it with your mouse. Drag the item into your workspace, positioning it exactly where you want it to appear. Release the mouse button to drop the item in place. The new element will now be added to your project. You can repeat this process to add more items by dragging each one into your workspace as needed until your project is complete. Click Save to confirm your changes. Next, we'll use the Other option. Locate the second item and click to open it. This will load its details and settings, allowing you to make adjustments as needed. Review the information each section provides, then proceed by clicking Save or Apply. Repeat these steps for any additional files you want to edit or manage in the software. Ensure this element is positioned at the back. Select it, then set its layer to the back. Now, review the stack. The element should be behind all others. Next, identify the top layer and verify its placement. Finally, check the bottom layer to confirm everything is correctly ordered. Click the Share button in the upper right corner of your screen to access downloading options for your design. From the drop-down menu, select Download to continue. You'll now see several file format options. If you want a standard image file, choose PNG. This format is great for sharing online or keeping a digital copy. For professional quality printing, select PDF print instead. PDF print will give you the best results for physical prints, ensuring your design remains high quality and clear. After selecting your preferred format, click the Download button. Your design will process and automatically save to your computer. Check your Downloads folder to access the file. Try out your new wrinkle text effect in Canva. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more creative Canva tricks.